If you love the Lamborghini Murciélago, then this video is for you. So recently I gave you some updates about the project, the Schöner, my first car that I'm working on, and also the history, how everything has evolved, right? So just to recapture a little bit very quickly, I don't want to do the same video again. What it started with, I wanted to use an existing car, and then pretty quickly came to the conclusion that I need to build my own car, like most components at least, if I want to have a good supply of parts. So, but that doesn't mean that I cannot use existing technology from before, right? So previous video I told you about the Porsche 993, especially the GT2 Evo. So there's so much nice technology already out there, which we can use and improve upon, for example, with an electric engine. So in this video, I want to continue exactly where the last video ended, but another opportunity came up. And it doesn't mean that we're going to change the car again. I'm still going to work on the Porsche 993 style, the Schöner car, fully electric. But now we might just expand the product line a bit. And a lot of you guys also told me don't give up on the combustion engine, right? So this video also might play exactly into what you love to hear. So first of all, shout out to my friend Saul. He runs a collision workshop in Los Angeles, in California, USA. And while stumbling through my Instagram, you know, we all do it, going through the daily feeds, I saw, oh, there's this guy, he has like a Lamborghini Murcielago. But special case, most people that, like, when you see they have a Murcielago chassis, right, or any car for that matter, usually what you see is they have like the car with all the body panels on there, right? So maybe no interior, no engine, but usually it's the chassis with the body panels attached. But the special thing about Saul's project was he had the bare Murcielago chassis, which I feel was like a super nice opportunity. So I contacted him, I sent him a message, and said, why don't we have a chat? What are you doing? What are your plans with this car? And I told him a little bit about what we're doing with the Porsche 993 project, right? Building a carbon fiber monocoque. I said, maybe we can do something similar, but for the Lamborghini Murcielago. And also this guy, he was like directly super fire for the topic. He even said, okay, if this project goes fine, we can even put it on SEMA. So I love that. You know, I know this is probably another topic, but you know, normally in Germany, when you talk to new people that you never spoke to, a lot of people are very careful in the beginning, don't know, who are you, and don't want to tell you anything, or they're very careful, let's say like this, right? So probably I grew up internationally, I'm a little bit more open. And then shout out to Saul, he was very open. Not only was he fired for the topic, not only did he agree to talk more, he also said, hey, sure, if you need the car, let me know what you want to do. I said, well, if you ask me like this, can I send someone over to do a 3D scan on the chassis? Because then we can reproduce it, right? So in theory, we could reproduce it. We can, like one-to-one, build a new Murcielago, like real Murcielago, or even do the same idea that we do with the Schöner now to make a new chassis, but the center is a carbon fiber monocoque, because the Lamborghini Murcielago was never built as with a carbon fiber monocoque, right? Yes, it was a development from the Lamborghini Diablo, so the chassis are very similar, but they basically added carbon fiber elements into it, made it wider here and there. The wheelbase is different. It's quite different from the Diablo, let's say like this, but it's not really like the Aventador, which was the real first carbon fiber monocoque car, right? So plenty of opportunities there. He said he agreed, and within 2-3 days we had everything arranged. And just yesterday we had a team. I sent a team over to California. We did a 3D scan. Probably we can show you either some videos here, I'll try to put it into this video, or you just follow up our story and we'll post it there. And it's done. So now what I really want to do is I want to ask you guys, what should we do with this? And I have my ideas, obviously, and then as time goes on, this is also something I mentioned in the last video, new ideas come and go. You just have to realize when there's opportunities. Should we just build another Murcielago? Like the Murcielago has probably also yet another topic, but it's coming back. The Murcielago was actually one of the first cars DMC ever did. It was the first car we ever did. But 2009 we started DMC, so that's like 17 years ago. At that time we made a body kit for the car when it was kind of phasing out, but still actual there. But now it's like become a classic. I see prices going up like crazy, so that could be one opportunity for people that still have the engine but they don't have the chassis because it was broken. So we could like make new chassis. We could even put the VIN number in there if it's matching. It has to be matching, right? Or the way which I more would love to go is, because it's getting a classic now, go the same way like what we've done with 993. I'm repeating myself here, sorry guys. So build a carbon fiber monocoque, making it better, because one of the, if you can ask 10 people Murcielago, right, what you love about it, what you hate about it. I think one of the things that most people would agree on Murcielago is a really heavy car, right? It's really heavy. So if we would make it lighter, stiffer, I think we would really be able to have a really, really good product here. So would we build this car ourselves? I'm not so sure, because I'm very busy with the Porsche 993, the Schöner project, right? But I definitely will invest into this. I will definitely make another chassis itself, maybe even carbon fiber chassis monocoque. But I want to invite everybody, if you are building Murciélagos, talk to us, talk to me, right? So this would be something we could supply, like as a technical supplier, for example, right? So let me know in the comments what you think we should do. What would you do? Do you know someone? Share what your thoughts, your love about the Murciélago. How was it in your life? What's the first encounter you ever had with the Murciélago? And I'm really looking forward. You know, I'm always trying to read all comments. We're looking really forward to this. And thank you so much for watching this video today. I'll talk to you very soon. And as usual, the DMC life, or the Schöner life in this case. Thanks a lot for watching.